When installing a CCTV camera on a pole, whether it's metal or concrete, several factors must be considered to ensure a reliable and long-lasting installation. These considerations range from cable selection to installation techniques and environmental protection. Firstly, let's discuss metal poles. When working with metal poles, one key aspect is the use of conduit. A PVC or metal conduit should be used to protect the cable from physical damage and exposure to the elements. This is crucial for preventing wear and tear on the cable, which can lead to signal degradation or power loss. Secondly, grounding is essential. It is important to ensure that the conduit is properly grounded. Grounding provides a protective path for electrical faults, minimizing the risk of electrical shock and damage to the camera equipment. Thirdly, cable guards can be installed at the top and bottom of the pole. Cable guards prevent the cable from being pulled or snagged, which can happen due to environmental factors or accidental contact. Next, we'll look at concrete poles. With concrete poles, the approach to cable installation differs slightly. 1. Many concrete poles have grooves or channels specifically designed for cable installation. Utilize these grooves to secure the cable, as they provide a neat and protected pathway. 2. Stainless steel or galvanized steel clamps should be used to secure the cable to the concrete surface if grooves are not available or sufficient. These clamps should be corrosion resistant to withstand outdoor conditions. 3. It is important to apply a weatherproofing sealant around the entry point of the cable into the camera housing. This sealant prevents moisture from entering the housing, which can damage the camera's internal components. Now let's delve into cable selection. Firstly, the cable needs to have UV-resistant insulation for outdoor exposure. This insulation protects the cable from degradation due to sunlight, ensuring a longer lifespan. Secondly, 18 American wire gauge is generally sufficient for 24 volts alternating current power applications, but always verify the camera's specific power requirements. Thirdly, a 3-conductor cable should be used for power, ground, and signal transmission. This ensures that all necessary connections are made securely and reliably. Fourthly, choose a stranded cable for flexibility and durability. Stranded cables are better able to withstand bending and movement compared to solid core cables. Fifthly, allow for sufficient cable length to reach the camera from the power source, and also consider future maintenance or expansion. Having extra cable length makes it easier to perform maintenance or relocate the camera if needed. In addition to these specific considerations, there are several other factors to keep in mind. One is the power supply. It is vital to ensure that the power supply is compatible with the camera's power requirements. Using an incompatible power supply can damage the camera or result in poor performance. 2. Surge protection devices should be installed to protect the camera from voltage transients. Surges can come from various sources, such as lightning strikes or power grid fluctuations, and can severely damage electronic equipment. 3. The camera housing should provide adequate protection from weather and vandalism. A robust housing protects the camera from rain, snow, wind, and physical damage. 4. A mounting bracket that allows for easy angle adjustment of the camera should be used. This makes it easier to fine-tune the camera's field of view and ensure optimal coverage. 5. Schedule regular maintenance to inspect the cable and connections for any damage or corrosion. Regular inspections can help identify and address potential problems before they escalate. A recommended cable for this application is an 18 American wire gauge 3-conductor stranded UV-resistant PVC cable, suitable for both metal and concrete poles. This type of cable offers a good balance of durability, flexibility, and weather resistance. Considering these factors will contribute to our successful and reliable CCTV camera installation on both metal and concrete poles.